Hey, Sophie, what are you going to do?
Well, I'm gonna make a crown. You see, these are the instructions.
Okay.
Here are the steps. We just follow the pictures because it was in Japanese. Yes, because we just follow the pictures. And now we're gonna get these in this. Like, oh God, they're so sticky. Right.
Are you following the instructions according to the pictures? Because the instructions are in Chinese. So if we don't know Chinese, you can see only the pictures so that you can
How
follow
do we
directions.
put these in? Oh. How do we put this in?
Oh, let me see.
I can't wait to
Here
get
is
the
instructions.
jewels.
Number 1, number 2, number
Oh.
3. Alright,
Yeah. So I get to pick one of these.
Alright, okay. Alright, entonces, so we are going to put the headband over here. First time, follow directions.
We got one more.
One more.
Now what's the next step? What's next?
There you go.
What?
Okay, next,
Oh wow.
flowers. We are going to decorate your crown with flowers over right here. Here.
Where?
Here.
Oh.
There you go. Okay. You have another.
And next flower.
Next flower.
Oh God, the next. The next is that.
It's in this space. It's going to in this space.
Then we're gonna. Oh.
Be careful. Yes. Come on. In this space. Right here. There you go.
Next what?
Next, according to the picture, next is a big flower or heart.
A heart.
What do you
We
want?
got a heart.
A heart. Heart in the middle of the crown.
Wow. Yeah.
All right. Then
And then
you can put jewelry around the
Okay.
heart or in the heart.
It's
Okay.
too close.
You're in the middle of the flower.
No, it's jewels.
Yes.
Correct.
Okay. Well, yes, you have a lot of jewel
Of course.
so you can decorate.
No, I'm not. Oh, then I'll have to make. Oh, I can make a pattern.
Okay.
Well, if I run out, I'll just. Or maybe not. Maybe we can make a pattern. So next what is pink. So we got pink.
Pink.
Oh no. And we didn't realize we were actually grabbing the.
Okay. Where are you going to place the blue flower?
This blue flower could be with the next flower.
Okay.
And now let's put the next flower.
Next.
Ta-da! There's a flower, but at the back we have to peel this off so it can stick. You're safe now, Supergirl.
Ah, beautiful flower. I love it. Okay. Oh, nice. Nice. What else? Are you done?
No, yet. We got these.
Okay.
So we have to start number. And we're done. Ta-ta! We made this. Oh, look how beautiful, isn't it? It's so excited about this. We got some hearts, and at the bottom we have these, and we have so many critters.
That's it. See you later. See you next time. Bye.